All right, so we were doing automatic payment program run configuration we have completed as
Huh.
per our initial understanding. And in the last class on 29th of September, and when we were running the automatic payment program, we were trying to post some payment documents for vendor, I think 41, and then we were getting this error. So let us try to check that today, and we'll see how we can fix it. First of all, let me check the balance. In this vendor, we have two advance payment. First of all, let me select the layout. Okay, so here we can see payment method assigned in all the line items except the last one. So let it be there, no issues. At least for these many open items, we should be able to make payment through automatic payment program. That is what our intention. Go to F110. And we need to save the parameter. Parameter is saved. Now click on proposal. Start immediately. Proposal is still running and it has created. Now let us see the edit proposal. Here, I think, yeah, same error we are getting, right?
Yes.
So now let us check. So something we are missing in the configuration, as I said on that day also. So I'll explain you that. So I'll go to BZP. Up to here it is fine. The error is specifically for the payment method. So we are going to check in payment in country, payment method in country. Okay, so in India we have this one. Let us check it. So up to here this is fine. I don't feel any issue here. Allowed currencies. Here is the problem actually. We left it blank. We need to specify all the currencies for which we can use this payment method. So we have Euro, we have JPY, some transactions we posted, maybe CAD also. Like this, all the currencies you can mention here.
USD? No.
Yes, let me try USD also. Okay, I saved it. This was the one I find out missing. Apart from this, let us check payment method in company code TE01. Okay, here we don't have to change minimum amount and maximum amount we have to give if they are foreign vendors. Their address is like country other than your home country. So for that purpose we check this one, and foreign currency allowed should be ticked because we are making the payment for the vendors wherein we have foreign currency documents also. Now go to bank determination. Okay, TE01. Go to ranking order. Ranking order we had already given, which is fine. Bank accounts also, I think we have given. The subledger, which is outgoing payment. Okay, and yeah, then also we should also give the available amount, like maximum how much available for outgoing payment. So this we need to give. We need to give house bank account ID. We need to mention here. And now let us check. So, okay, let us create the new payment proposal. I'm not deleting parameters. We'll check if this works. Otherwise, we have to, yeah, this is working fine now, correct?
Yes. Yes.
This is how basically we need to explore this program. Okay, each and every checkbox has some relevance in
Hmm.
some different situations.